What up, world? What up, world? It's your girl Camaro Key, aka the Rim Lady, and I'm back with another video. Check it out. Our spot here has now came to a close. This is no longer Stitched by Slick. Open facilities. We came, we saw, and we conquered. Old office, no more. The dance floor is no more. Cars are no longer dancing on this floor. They got a new floor. This was his office. No more. We got it gutted out pretty good. We're getting the last few items. Clearing on up out of here. Bigger and better things. New stuff on the way. We just about got all the cars out the yard. So we wrapping it up. It's been great while we was here. But now it's time to go. It's time to go. We got a lot of stuff accomplished here. We got our major, biggest celebrity client in this shop. You know? So these are the last of the items. What we got left. Sweep up, clean up, get out. So yeah. I'm glad we up out of here. We did good here. But now it's time for bigger and better things. The glow up is real. It is oh so real. Kind of bittersweet. More so bitter. But we always make it do what it do. No matter where we at. So I wanted to give y'all the last and final walkthrough of what used to be Stitched by Slick. The dance floor. So now, we got Stitched by Slick Studios. You'll definitely get a walkthrough of that pretty soon. But I'm going to need for y'all to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit a like, hit the share, all that good stuff. Because we got some stuff on the way. And y'all ain't going to want to miss it. Greatly appreciate the love that I get so far. My fans, the haters, all of y'all. I appreciate it. You make me go harder. But y'all stay tuned because I got the new studio coming. So y'all can see what we got going on. Be on the lookout for the grand opening because it's going to be so dope. So dope. But we got so much underway. So much in store for y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And that's about that on that. It's your girl Camaro Key, aka the Rim Lady. I'll be back in 3.